Today we'll discuss why regular digital cleanups are crucial for your career growth. In the digital age, maintaining a positive online presence is essential. Here is why it matters. Potential employers and clients often search for you online. A positive online presence creates a strong first impression and opens doors for opportunities. Regular cleanups help remove content that no longer aligns with your professional image, ensuring your online presence remains relevant and positive. Updating your profiles and showcasing your skills and achievements strengthens your personal brand, attracting new career opportunities. Cleanups help protect your privacy by removing personal information that could be misused. Maintaining security and professionalism online is vital. Regularly reviewing your online content ensures it reflects the image you want to project, helping you manage public perception effectively. Proactively cleaning up your digital footprint helps you address negative content before it becomes a problem. A polished online presence boosts your confidence, allowing you to focus on your career goals without worrying about your digital footprint. How leaked content removal can help. We offer digital cleanup services to protect and enhance your online presence, from content removal to privacy protection. Regular digital cleanups are essential for creating strong impressions, managing perception, and boosting your confidence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. For professional assistance, visit us at leakcontentremoval.com. Stay proactive in managing your online reputation.